Now let's discuss few important terms which we are going to use it. Now number 1, solution for or solution of the equation. Now the value of unknown angle satisfying the given equation. The value of unknown angle satisfying the given equation is called solution of the equation, or you can write it solution of the trigonometric equation. Now number 2, a very important term. Now principal solution. Now here principal solution is the solution which lies between 0 and 2 pi. The intervals 0 and 2 pi, closed intervals. Okay, the solution which lies between 0 and 2 pi is called principal solutions. Number 3, general solution. Now the solution which is generalized by means of periodicity is called general solution. Now these are the 3 terms and these are the definitions, and I am going to give you some examples based on these things in the form of the examples or in the form of the questions.